Go ahead.
It's an 8mm, by the way.
I'm sorry, what? You can speak a proper volume, sir?
8mm.
Sorry, what was that? Some millimeters?
Couple of 8.
8. I see. You know, see through the dark.
That's not supposed to be unplugged yet.
That's not supposed to be unplugged yet, but whatever. He unplugged it anyway. There's another guy down there now. 4 bolts, 8mm.
2 stubby ones go in the bottom, apparently. Actually, they're all the same, pretty well stubby. Kind of. Actually, no, wait.
Yeah, some are fatter than the others.
The skinny ones go in the top, the fat ones went in the bottom.
Fatty's on bottom, skinny's on top.
And,
Society and whatnot.
Oh yeah, let's unplug some stuff.
Let's unplug some stuff.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah, you're getting it. Blue guy. White guy.
And the signal light one.
Signal light one is...
Can't really get it from there.
Oh, is it the one on the
I
right
probably
there?
could, but we won't get a shot of it.
Yeah.
And it just slides out. And
There it is. You probably could have got it from in there anyway. I could see it.
it's easier just to unclip it rather than drop a headlight.
Yes. No need to break the bulb. Just take the clip out and do it that way.
Ow. Click.
Clicky clicky.
Did you start yet?
Yeah, I'm already gone.
With this particular make, comes with a couple of different sockets, but these are the ones that are required for this automobile.
You want to show us the socket before you... There you go. Having a little trouble there?
Apparently.
Huh.
Oh, helps when you get in there, right?
Hmm.
Little twist and turn.
Twist and turn. There we go.
Problem, no problem. So, by the way, it's the graphicshop.ca sells these.
Gee. Are you surprised?
They come with these
Instructions.
instructions with really clear digital
Yeah.
imagery.
Those are super clear. You can absolutely tell from that blackness that there's something there.
And I'm pretty sure these are for a different make and model that already have halos.
Yeah, we don't really have a use for those two dingy bobbers. Oh, maybe those two as well, yeah. We don't have a use for those for our car. Or his car.
And we've already determined
Remove sticker. Don't
That
forget.
going to have our halos on with our park lights.
Halos on with park lights. Check. Strip, strip. Clip, clip. Actually, I thought you were stripping them, but you're just cutting them off to get a new lead. It's because of those clippies, isn't it? Those blue connector things. You'll learn about the blue connector things.
These have a name, but I usually don't use them because
Ever?
weird. I've never used them before, actually.
Yeah, never used them first time. They came with the thing, so that's what we're using. Because, screw it. We'll see what happens.
Slide these two here. And you can give it a half a squeeze.
Just to puncture the wire.
And this is the park light wire, this is the signal light wire. So if for some strange reason you want your halos and LEDs to blink with your signal lights, you connect it to this wire. If you want them on with your park lights, use the green wire.
That's right. Christmas colors.
Once that's in there,
Stick it in and clamp down.
thing pops in, flips over, everybody's in there
Done.
tight. However, it's not a
Not
waterproof.
Yeah, not watertight. So make sure you tape it for safety. Electrical tape is your friend. You don't want to splash a puddle and all of a sudden your headlights are dead.
That's a pretty good tape job.
Pretty good tape job, considering you only spent like 10 seconds on it rather than the 4 minutes you usually do.
I think these are called Scotch locks or something. I don't know.
Scotch locks.
That could be wrong. That could be a candy.
Is it
These
for-
are like Werther's original clips or something.
Where there's original clips. It's a taste you'll never forget. I actually don't know what a slogan for Werther's Originals is.
Hard candy you'll love choking on. Well,
Don't breathe too deeply.
They're not going to be our sponsor.
No. Why would Werther's Originals sponsor us? We're not like 85.
That's just
Am I stereotyping?
stereotyping, speaking the truth.
I actually kind of like them.
Really?
I'm getting old though.
I can't get the wires in there.
Can't get the wires in there. Oh snap!
That's probably why people hate these things.
Yeah, it could be why people badmouth it, or it could be because of the not waterproof thing. But after a bit of fiddling, you will eventually get it in there.
Just gotta get in there.
Just gotta get in there.
Oh, does it? All else fails, ultimate damn thing up.
Yep. Just power through.
Slight bit of
Pressure. A pokey poke.
and the black one is the ground.
Black is, of course, ground. That's the way it should always be, even though some companies are stupid. And your phone's ringing, so I'm going to stop. I am now.
Squeezed, all in there good. Clip.
Electrical tape.
Electrical tape makes good band-aids too.
Electrical tape does make good band-aids.
I'm sure the adhesive is non-poison.
Whatever. It's not like you're putting super glue in your cut. See a lot of people doing that, man. I think that's crazy.
At some point I'll probably take these off and solder them.
Oh, yeah, I imagine so. You probably won't keep those clips on forever. You're a man that likes to do your soldering. But for the sake of it came with the stuff, may as well do it that way.
I don't know why they didn't automatically send these hooked in with an extra plug to tap into them, because everybody's going to put them into the park lights. They're not going to put them into the signal lights.
Exactly.
And I'll just get these together.
Just tidy up the wires a little bit.
Because I can't afford zip ties.
Whatever. I'm sure you can afford zip ties. It's just a matter of who cares. You got electrical tape right there. Does the same thing.
And I forgot my...
I don't even think it's that bad on camera.
this clip, and that's an 8mm too.
8mm there. 8mm there. And off goes the bracket. Now,
And the bracket off of the old one And of course, the screwdriver is fit in there.
Oh, imagine that.
Maybe stand on the right side.
Let me stand over here? Alright, I'll stand over here. I don't really care. Ducks.
I guess,
Better than geese, at least. Geese are dicks. So that's it. 2 bolts for that guy.
you could probably make a mark to remember where that was, but the other one's probably completely different.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You could mark it off. It might be beneficial. I don't know. We're just kind of winging it.
But there is some adjustment to it, so...
Oh yeah, there's some play in it, so if it doesn't fit right, you can just unscrew those, wiggle it around a bit. No, I'm not going to step on the piece. I see it. Trying to focus on the screen, but I do see it. What the hell kind of ugly car was that?
Thunderbird.
That thing is ugly.
It were. Sure were.
So this is the new little brackety bracket thing.
You can't tell by the shininess.
If you can't tell. Also, there seems to be an extra doodad on this part that sticks up right over here.
Yeah, no, that's the other... I think this mounting... Well, I suppose we can compare.
Yeah, that one's the same, but the other one's missing the doodad.
Because the other mounting thing's over here.
Yep.
Because aftermarket is different.
That's that. I'm playing around with that.
And I'm sure it doesn't sit like... Well, maybe... Yeah, it does sit like that.
Whatever.
I'm gonna guess there.
Just a guess. We can always tweak it.
Good.
Good. Alright, whenever you're ready, bud.
So on the bottom of the factory headlight, as it's called, or headlamp, I guess, to be politically correct.
We don't really want to be politically correct. It's a headlight. Anyways, it's this little... Is it plastic?
Yeah.
Little plastic piece.
And no, that wasn't on the cement, it was on pliers.
It was on pliers. Nice handles. Rubbery. That will have to be taken off of your headlight and put onto the new one.
Put on, transferred,
'Tis necessary.
and there are little clips. Where the fuck is the clip thing? Apparently the clip thing came broken on this one.
It happens.
Which shouldn't...
Be that much of an issue.
I'm hoping.
Fingers crossed.
That is kind of crap.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Nice headlight, though.
Kind of flops there, I guess.
Yeah, it is a little floppy over on that side, isn't it?
Gonna keep this special non-scratch wrap crap on for now.
Yeah.
Even though it never sticks again after it unsticks.
Yeah, once it unclings, it's pretty much not useful. Back up we go. So where do you want me, right or left?
Probably the right.
I can't really see much of nothing, but I suppose I can get. I suppose I can get you from here.
And I'm not gonna worry about plugging anything in at this point. I just want to check the fitment.
That's right. Just check the lining up. Make sure everything's gravy.
It should slide into that bottom bracket.
That's what it's meant for. When you slide it in, if it lines up with the holes, gold. Are you gonna line up?
It's gonna be a bit tricky to line those
Yeah.
things up because there's like 4 of them. Make sure none of the wires are jammed.
Is this broken? Oh no, never mind. I'm
Look
done.
at that. Somehow magically almost made it.
Almost got her? Oh.
Or perhaps
We're having some trouble, sir.
well, it looks good over there, but it's not in this thing.
Oh.
I think it's because the bracket didn't have.
Oh yeah.
You see this one? And it's right on the corner.
I'm gonna stop for now, and then we'll jump back when you actually got her lined up right. Yep.
So after some convincing and wiggling, it fits in there.
A little finessing. Make sure you got this little piece in the corner right here. Make sure it tucks in behind this. That was kind of one of the things that we were neglecting.
And the rubber's a bit gimped.
Yeah, the rubber's a bit messed up from us doing with it, but whatever, you're fixing it. It's fine. There you go. That's better.
Alright, so Stubby's gotta go in.
Remember, fatty's on the bottom, skinny's on top.
We're using the new ones, the new shiny ones anyway.
New shinies. But they're still fatty's on the bottom, skinny's on top. Yeah. Yeah. Down, down, down. Lined up good.
Ah, I almost dropped it.
You'd have to use a crusty old one.
I don't know if they're the same size.
Oh, wouldn't that be fun? Suppose you could try one to find out.
You could do a lot of things to find out.
You can do a lot of things to find out. Make some measurements. Do some arithmetic.
As long as the body lines line up, then
Yeah, as long as everything lines up good. You ain't got your rubbers all messed up. It's kind of simple though when you think about it, like 4 bolts. That's it. Easy to get to. If only everyone made headlights like that.
you know what we forgot?
What did we forget?
We didn't plug the plug in.
Oh, we didn't plug the plugs in. Premature.
I don't know where these plugs are. There's the one I'm looking for.
That's the one you're looking for.
And the tit goes to where the plug is, the tit.
Yep. Good. Good.
This one, sure. The gray one goes to the gray one. The black one goes to the white one.
Interracial. And that's that.
Well, you get a shot of the front of just this light, and we'll see if it works before we.
Yep. Your floppy's kinda, before you do anything, this is kinda messed up.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just looks like it's kinda unstuck or whatever. I didn't really want to get it on camera too bad.
That's good.
Yeah, it's fine. Just a headlight rubber anyway, for the, when the hood comes out. Good.